This is Traveling Soldier by the Dixie Chicks. Hope you like it. Sixteenth past 18, he was waiting for his bus on his army green. Sat down in a booth cafe there, sorted to a girl with a bow in her hair. He seemed a little shy, so she gave him a smile. Said, do you mind sitting down for a while and talking to me? Feeling pretty low. She said, I'm off in an hour and I know where we can go. So they went down and they sat on a pier. He said, I bet you got a boyfriend, but I don't care. I got on one to send a letter to. And do you mind if I send one back here to you? I cried, never gonna hold the hand of another guy, do ya? And they told her, waiting for the love of a traveling soldier. Our love will never end, waiting for the soldier to come back again. Never gonna be alone. Little letter said, soldier's coming home. So the letters came from an army camp in California, then Vietnam, and he told her of his heart might be loving all the things that he's so scared of. Said it's getting a little bit rough over here. I think I'll lie day out there by the pier, and I close my eyes to see your pretty smile. Don't worry, but I won't be able to ride for a while. I cried, never gonna hold the hand of another guy, do ya? For him they told her, waiting for the love of a traveling soldier. My love will never end, waiting for that soldier to come back again. Never gonna be alone. The letter said, soldier's coming home. One Friday night at a football game, the Lord's Prayer said and the anthems played. The man said forward, bow your heads for this unknown, the Vietnam dead. Crying all alone, understand what's a piccolo player and a marching band. One name rings that nobody really cared, but a pretty little girl with bows in her hair. But I cried, never gonna hold the hand of another guy, do ya? For him they told her, waiting for the love of a traveling soldier. Our love will never end, waiting for that soldier to come back again. Never more to be alone. The letter said, soldier's coming. I cried, never gonna hold the hand of another bride, do ya? For him they told her, waiting for the love of a traveling soldier. Our love will never end, waiting for that soldier to come back again. Never more to be alone. The letter said, soldier's coming home.